think I'm about to make a huge financial mistake. I'll show you what I'm about to do.
Here we got CMST tuning. Oh god, what am I about to do? It's in stock. This is USD. We're in Canada. Well, let's do it.
It's official. Place the order right here. I'm excited to see this. Expecting a delivery today, but as you can see, there's quite a bit of snow out there. No way for them to get here, and here she is, the plow. It took me 10 minutes to get off my street when it should take 5 seconds. Yeah, it's not ideal. Lowered car in the winter, but hey, who cares? But we're still expecting that shipment, so we'll see if FedEx really wants to show up today or not. Delivery's here. Got the FedEx truck. The driver does not want to be recorded, so I am respecting that. So I'll wait until it's offloaded and we'll go from there. This is it here.
So what'd you get in the box? I want to know. You got an S15 wide body right here? It's not fair. You already got to take a peek.
Why does this look like? It looks like it goes here. Oh, don't worry about that.
Is that being cut or something?
Oh my God! Look underneath.
Oh yeah.
You ever see a Tesla rust?
Actually, we have.
Definitely gonna have to do some body work on this.
As expected. CMST wide body. I chose not to go with the carbon one because we're here in Canada and I don't think I want to put a full carbon wide body through our Canadian weather, and this is a daily driver. So it's going to take the beating. So if I damage this, it is what it is. We can just repair it. What's that guy?
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god! Wow!
Not bad, not bad. There you go, Ash, and I can continue to build your home.
Oh, thank you. I needed some insulation. It looks like someone already had their fun with this. That's not fair.
Well, if
what kind of an unboxing is this?
I have to inspect the kit before the driver leaves. Otherwise, if there's any damage, I'm SOL, as they say. You want to see this in on the car?
Yeah. Hey, what happened to the light?
Not bad. So it's 35 mil wider all the way around. Nothing too crazy, just wide enough. Kind of cool if this vent was actually vented, but the Tesla, what are we venting? Can't quote me on this, but as far as I am aware, this is the first one in Canada.
Right.
And
talk about that.
Potentially the third one in the world, but the other two are carbon fiber.
Okay. How does it feel?
I don't know yet.
Are you gonna be running these wheels though? That's the question. We just put these.
Not.
These are your winter wheels.
Wheels, undecided. My Vorshiners are definitely not going to fit this kit. Offset is totally off.
I would say leave suggestions, but by the time this video comes out, the wheels are already going to be on.
Let's see, what do we got in here? Let's see what this side looks like. It's another Fenderino. And there's also little shark fins that go here, little fins. From my understanding, they were supposed to be carbon, but I guess not. It was a small package.
Is that what they call you at work? Small package?
Small package packing a big. So these are those little fender fins. So, oh, it's something like that. I think one is bigger than the other. Hold on. So that one goes there like that. And then this one goes here like this. We're up for the challenge.
Oh yeah, for sure. I can't wait to see this thing painted and on the car.
You see all that, the whole thing?
Yeah, actually.
Oh, look at that. It's even stamped in the back. CMST Model 3.
Make sure you don't get rid of that stamping.
They did help me finalize the whole process and getting the actual kit shipped here safely. There's no other ones posted. Don't quote me on it. There could be ones that have done this already, but we don't know because no one's posted about it. This will be a first here. So what to expect in the next upcoming video essentially is us preparing this body kit to go in the car. We'll be cutting the quarter panels, you know, just showing you exactly what we need to do or what anybody needs to do to go about doing this process on the Model 3 or a Tesla or even an electric car in general. So we'll be covering that, and then this is going to be a 3-part series. Essentially, this is the unboxing. The second one's going to be us prepping it for install, and then the third one will be the finalized process of like going through paint, us installing it, finishing it up. As you know, you can't do much with Teslas. You can't make it faster. will only make them look cooler. This is my way of making it cooler. We're going to be brutally honest when installing this kit, as I know I did tell the sales rep that we're going to be reviewing the kit as well.
We're gonna be brutally honest, so we're just gonna see how the fitment is, what adjustments need to be made.
I'm sure there is. Fiberglass is never perfect. It's always a mold, so there's going to be lots of sanding involved, probably trimming, hoping that we don't have to, but possibly cutting and then rebonding panels back together. Again, this kit is not going to be molded to the car. It's going to be glued to the car.
RWB style.
Yeah, RWB style. Seam seal the edges so it's nice and a clean fitment, so you don't see any like horrendous gaps, anything like that.
Right now this is just the unboxing, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put it up to the car and kind of test, not really test fit, but just see how it looks, visualize it from here. So that's gonna be in the morning, so the lighting is good. So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned. Since we're unboxing the wide body, we might as well unbox some Hot Wheels that we got. We ended up picking a 60 pack of Hot Wheels, so let's see if we get anything good.
Is there a treasure hunt here?
And there might be.
Are you sure about that?
I don't think I've seen some of these before though. Is that a G-Wagon?
Look at the Mercedes SEC. It's a nice one. Oh, this is a funny car Mustang. Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh, that's sick.
75 Honda, 73.
Oh, that one's
Yeah,
cool.
that's a nice Pagani. It's on the R.
Oh, I see a Civic.
I got one of these.
You have a red one?
Yeah, it's exactly the same one.
Oh, that's sick.
RX-7. Yeah, this one is a nice one. And of course, this is the only time the Pontiac Aztek looks pretty cool.
When you cut it up and make it all wide.
Even
you know the real.
Even the headlights for me, I just can't. The headlights and the grill is just like a no-go.
Yeah, that's on the EV.
That's all of them?
Yeah, that's it. That's all of it.
That's all of them?
Almost as if like, is there more?
It's already so late. Why is there so much traffic? All right, well, we just arrived. Has it settled in yet?
No.
I think they're looking pretty dang good if you ask me.
I think it looks even better in person than it does through those ad pictures. Really like the red center cap too. That's like the nice red as well for your car.
I do. I really like that.
You got them both, huh? Oh yeah. I like the rears a lot.
They were polished, but you'll see like all of that. It looks like debris. I'm not gonna wipe that with my fingers because I know what happens.
Yeah.
Man, it was nice to meet you. Appreciate it, brother. No worries. Thank you.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Take care, guys.
All right, well, just picked up the wheels.
I'm so excited that I don't care that I'm stuck behind some idiot that can't drive.
Oh, you know what? We're filming the idiot. That's a Prius C.
Boy, just pull in. What is going on right now?
Welcome to Ontario, I guess. People don't know how to drive here.
Especially down here.
My God, these roads are terrible too.
2,000 years later.
You know what time it is. Time to do some test fitting.
Wrong goal pattern.
Imagine. Okay. I think you need some meteor tires on that.
Oh God.
I feel like with the spacer, that's perfect for the wide body.
That's what I think too, so I think I'll leave the spacer in the front.
Oh, okay.
Probably just gonna end up putting it on the ground so at least I can measure the wide body.
I'm gonna miss those DTR sticker, Reps Engineering. Gotta get some shots too. So I'm using 2 cameras, but time to test the rear.
Oh, it doesn't fit. Oh, they're not half-century.
You definitely can run these without the wide body. Oh, this looks so good.
Watch the Jackson get stuck.
God, I don't even think the camera does it justice. Oh, come on. That's perfect.
That's actually perfect. Coming from someone that just guessed. I was like, let's just buy these wheels that are -6 offset.
You're so lucky. Not even a single measurement was taken. You're so lucky. I don't know if we mentioned it. We're not running these tires.
Well, I might run those rears on the front tire, on the front rims, and I have different tires for the rear, but I have a whole new set.
We have a couple choices, which I'll show. We got some high flies, either gonna run those or we're gonna be running some Pilot Sport 4S's. Thick boys. Man had to pull out the tape. Pretty good.
I think I could run a 5mm in the rear. I'm gonna be honest with you.
You know what, now that you mention it, yeah. So we just threw on the 8mm slip-on spacers, and yes, I think that's it. Drive it like this right now, I dare you.
That's a perfect stretch. Not too crazy, just a little, just enough. I'm not a rubber band fan unless I build the car to be rubber bands. Ciao.
You're spending all your bands on this stuff, that's why. Are you ready to do a cinematic?
Cue cinematic music.
Cue cinematic music.
Look, the tire's permanently stretched. Like, look at the bead. It's like almost flat. Literally the sidewall when it's supposed to be dipped in. Zeros!
Yes.
It's like my high school grade.
It's like your bank account after buying these wheels and your Widebody and your tires.
Man, legit went there.
I went there.
Taking it off. Around. Bit of light. That basically wraps up the first video of the unboxing and the quick little test fit of the body kit on the car. We're gonna be prepping the wide body with sanding, cutting of the car. We're just gonna be pretty much prepping the wide body to go on and to get painted. And we're not sending it out, we're doing it all ourselves. So stay tuned for that video because it's gonna be interesting.